I'm Dakota Winkler. You're probably all wondering why it's called Winkler Motorcycle Adventures. And you've probably figured out the Winkler and the motorcycle part of that, but why adventures? Well, the definition of a trip is going to a place and returning. That is not what we do here. The definition of adventure is an unusual and exciting experience. To us, it's not about the destination. It's about the whole experience. The exciting situations we encounter, the people we meet, and well, the food too. It all started for me before I can even remember. My father was putting me on the back of his motorcycle and we were off on cross-country adventures. Right after I turned 16 and got my driver's license, I got my motorcycle license, and it was not more than a few weeks after that, I was on my first solo adventure outside of Wisconsin. Ever since then, my father and I take at least one big adventure every season, with many smaller adventures sprinkled throughout there. So, our YouTube channel is where we are going to post videos of all of our crazy adventures from here on out, as well as some gear and equipment reviews, how-to videos, as well as a couple maintenance videos. Welcome to Winkler Motorcycle Adventures. Enjoy the ride!